and use your torque wrench to tighten it to 35 Newton meters of torque, and you're all set.